Moringa Actives. The perfect food supplement asterisk to support your weight loss efforts. Helps to maintain a healthy weight. Reduces the feeling of hunger. Supports normal metabolism. Regulates blood sugar levels. Supports digestion. Order now. I had been struggling with excess pounds for years. I couldn't control my hunger, especially late at night. Since taking Moringa Actives, this problem has disappeared. The first effects were visible after just 4 weeks. Less craving for sweets. The right sugar level. Weight under your control. A smooth digestive process. How does Moringa Actives work? Moringa Actives is a food supplement based on natural active ingredients that support the maintenance of normal body weight. The product formula was developed by experts who have combined scientifically proven extracts. The main ingredient of the product is an extract from the leaves of Moringa oleifera moringa trademark. Research confirms the effectiveness of Moringa ***. Reduces accumulation of fat tissue. Supports the maintenance of proper blood sugar levels. Supports the regulation of blood pressure. Lowers the level of cholesterol in the blood. Supports the work and regeneration of the liver. By supporting the process of maintaining normal blood glucose levels, Moringa trademark is highly effective in reducing your appetite and the need for snacking. What is more, Moringa can also reduce lipogenesis, i.e. the production and storage of fat. All of this makes this food supplement effective in supporting weight loss and stabilizing your weight. Order now. Other Moringa Actives active ingredients. Moringa Actives is a product that has been created exclusively from high-quality natural ingredients. See all ingredients. Moringa Actives effectively supports weight control. Moringa Actives plus balanced diet. Balanced diet. Expert opinion. Weight loss is not an easy process, so it's a good idea to support it with highly effective products. The effect of Moringa extract has been scientifically proven. Studies have shown that it is effective even on a high-fat diet. However, you should definitely support it with a well-balanced menu and physical activity. Only then will you achieve satisfying and lasting results and, above all, take care of your health. The active ingredients in Moringa Actives help maintain normal blood glucose levels, which is a major factor in limiting hunger attacks. What's more, Moringa reduces lipogenesis, i.e. the accumulation of fat. Apart from supporting weight loss, the ingredients contained in the product exhibit a number of health-promoting properties. Regular use of this food supplement can clearly improve the overall well-being of your body. Moringa Actives is a product tested for both effectiveness and safety. The capsules have been manufactured according to all necessary requirements and the highest quality standards. Michael Komornicki. Why Moringa Actives? Moringa Actives contains only what is necessary to effectively facilitate your weight control efforts. 100% natural. 0% gluten. 0% additives. 100% vegan. 0% allergens. 0% GMOs. Testimonials. Order now. FAQ. What is Moringa Actives? What is the composition of Moringa Actives? Is the Moringa Actives food supplement safe? How long will I have to wait for my package? When will I start losing weight? Lose weight. Moringa Actives is the support you deserve. Get the best and start losing weight effectively. Order now.